In the next 5 minutes, we will create and launch our own crypto without any coding knowledge, without any crypto, without any complicated crypto wallets, and successfully make some profit, all through mintcraft.io. This is going to be a step-by-step guide, and I'm sure you're going to love it. So make sure to watch till the end and see how much profit we can make with one simple launch. Let's dive in. The platform that we will be using in this video is called mintcraft.io. I will be dropping the link in the description of this video. You have a bunch of options here. You can create your token and you can perform different operations with the authority management of your token, as well as burn tokens, mint new supply, and then you can create a liquidity pool on Raydium, and you can remove the liquidity as well. And this is the most important function when it comes to mintcraft.io, because using this platform, you can remove the liquidity in less than 30 seconds, where you have to wait at least 10 minutes on Raydium. So that's one highlight. But the other highlight is that you do not need a phantom wallet or any other wallet to perform this operation. You can actually pay with your card, and you can connect with your social account or your email ID or whatever you prefer. So the step one is to create our own token. Here we go. And once you're here, you have to fill in some basic information about your token. In our case, we are going to mint a token called New Age, and I'm going to use the symbol as NAGE. The supply is going to be 1 billion. You can see it's 1 billion here. Make sure to always select your token logo. That is vital. The logo is selected. The next step is to add the description. Quickly add the description. The next step is to revoke the token authorities, and make sure to revoke both freeze as well as mint authority. And then you have the option to add the socials. I'm just going to place some placeholders here, nage.com, and just make sure to add Telegram, etc. You can add some certain tags as well, which will help with SEO. In this case, I'll just use Nage or New Age as tags, and that's pretty much it. So the total fee is going to be 0.4 Solana to create our token, but it's fine if you don't have Solana or if you don't have your Phantom wallet or any third-party wallet. You can simply go ahead, click on Connect Wallet, and you can sign up using your email address. In this case, I'm going to use my email address. And as you can see, my wallet is automatically created using my Google account or Gmail ID. And I can pay using a card. I can pay with Solana as well. So if I pay with card, it's basically the same conversion from Solana to US dollars. In this case, for this example, I'm going to be paying with the card. So create token with the card. Make sure to fill out all the information. This is powered by Stripe, as you can see. So this is as safe as it can get. I am going to quickly fill in my information so that I can pay for this token creation. Once paid successfully, you will be redirected back to the website. And as you can see, our crypto is created. So here you go, New Age token Nage, and this is the public token address. So our token looks pretty good. The next step is for us to go ahead and create a liquidity pool so that our token can be traded. So you can actually go from here, or you can just click here on create a liquidity pool. You will be asked to either use CPMM or CLMM. I would suggest to stick with CPMM for two reasons. Raydium network fee is lower with CPMM. Plus, it's actually much more flexible when it comes to the actual pricing of the token. So in this case, I'm simply going to go ahead and select my token, which is Nage. So as you can see, I have 1 billion supply. I'm going to add half of the supply of Nage against some Solana. Now, this is the step where you will need some Solana in your wallet. You can either purchase it or you can just transfer some Solana to your wallet. So the easy way is just to transfer some Solana from any centralized exchange to this wallet. I'm just going to copy the wallet address and I'm going to transfer some Solana so that I can use those Solana to create a liquidity pool. I have successfully transferred some Solana from a centralized exchange to this wallet, and I'm going to be creating a pool with just one Solana. So let's see how much volume we can get immediately. So one Solana, and I'm adding half of the supply of Nage so that it can be traded. Just leave everything as it is. The total is going to be 1.3 Solana. Simply go ahead, click on create CPMM pool. And that's it. Our Raydium pool should be live. You can actually view the transaction here, or simply go to Dex Screener, and our token should be in the new pair. Just click on newest. And as you can see, this was launched 1 minute ago, and we already have quite a few buys. We already have 9 buys, even though we have just added one Solana to the liquidity pool, which is practically nothing. In case you don't see your token in the newest under Radium and Solana, the other way is just to go click on search and search for the token address. So this is how the chart looks like for the token that we have just created. There are already 11 transactions for this token with only one Solana. So the liquidity stands at 209. And it's interesting how quickly we are getting some buys for $15, $22. And obviously, no one can buy a big amount of this token because we only added one Solana. So today, one Solana's price is $80 as of 15th of Feb 2026. So obviously, no one can buy more than $85 worth of this token. If we add more liquidity, let's just say $1,000 or maybe $2,000, we are going to make some great profit. As you can see, we are already up 223%, which is quite insane, frankly. We already have 21 transactions. 14 people have bought in, 5 sellers. If we want to remove the liquidity at this point, let's just go and check out how much liquidity do we have in the pool. So this is the token. And at this point, if we want to remove all the liquidity, we can get 1.81 Sol back. And we only added one Solana. So that is 81% return, which is quite frankly insane. Now, keep in mind, I'm not suggesting anyone to do this. I'm just showing you the method that you can actually use this platform to basically launch your token without any complicated wallets, without any Solana, with just your credit card, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and you can make some decent money by launching your own crypto. I'm just going to wait for everyone who bought in to sell, and then obviously I'm going to remove my liquidity. So I waited for a few minutes, but more people are buying than selling. So at this point, I'm just going to remove the liquidity because I don't want more people to buy in and lose money. So, and keep in mind, this video is purely for educational purpose. I do not want anyone to lose their money. My purpose is just to show that how powerful this platform is to make some money. So at this point, we have 1.87 Sol roughly, and this is the overall need supply that we have. I'm just going to go ahead and remove the overall liquidity so I can show you how this function really works. So just select max or whatever you want to select, withdraw the liquidity. So initially we added one Solana to the liquidity pool and we removed 1.869 Solana, which is a profit of approximately 0.87 Solana, which is extremely good for 5 minutes. And this is where MintCraft is so powerful because you can remove the liquidity within the next 30 seconds of pool creation, whereas on Radium, you have to wait for 10 minutes. And let's just refresh this quickly to see if so the wallet balance is already updated. When we started off, we had 1.5 Solana, I believe, in my wallet, and now we have 1.92 Solana. You can see one transaction done 1 minute ago, which is to remove the liquidity. That was us. And now the liquidity is under $1. So basically, this token cannot be traded further. Once again, this video is purely for educational purpose, and I just wanted to show you how powerful this platform is. You can simply go ahead, create your crypto within minutes using your Apple Pay credit card. You do not need a fancy wallet. And when you want to withdraw your Solana from your wallet, simply go to My Account, click on Send, select if you want to transfer all the Solana or any custom token that you have created. Just enter the address, select the amount of Solana that you want to transfer, and just click on Send. Your transaction will go through, and that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. Feel free to drop your comments in the comment section below. Once again, have a good one. Cheers.